What's going on, everybody? So on today's episode of Cooking with Two Wheel Trucker, I'm not sure you guys like these episodes or not, but figured it's kind of fun. I put one video out about me cooking in the truck and the kind of things I eat, and I figured I'd do another one. If you don't particularly like this particular video or this kind of video, but you like trucking and you're new to my channel, hey, I got more videos on here. Normally what I do is well, you go check it out. It's POV Trucking Views. So yeah, if you like cooking a little bit on the truck too, then stick around. So I already got my air fryer preheated. It's ready to go. Got my tin foil in the bowl here. Today we are cooking some shrimp scampi. I've never had this before. I don't know if that glares on it. Never had this before, but it looks real good. I've had types of shrimp scampi like this, but never this particular kind. It's got sauce in it and everything, so it ought to be pretty good. I'm gonna dump this in. I apologize, I'll probably hear, let me sit you guys down up here just briefly. I'm not sure if you can see anything what we got going on. Yep, not sure what you can see or what you can't see, but bear with me, everybody. I'm gonna open the bag, dump it right in. I got a knife in here, I really do. I just wasn't prepared for this. Should have been a little better prepared. Whew. I'll tell you one thing. It kind of stinks. It really does. Whew. Don't smell like I really was expecting it to. But honestly, I don't really know what I expected it to smell like. Yeah, anyways, gonna dump this in and pop it in. Alright, so yeah, sorry for the weird camera angle there that I just had it on, but I really had no choice. I don't have it on my head, so I really couldn't set it down nowhere. But yeah, this is what we got. I'll put it in there and flatten it out, spread it around the best I can. That's what it said. So now we're popping in the old air fryer here. Y'all bear with me, sorry for the camera angle, kind of need both hands for that. But yeah, now it TV pops on at the worst time. Had it loading, sorry about that. I apologize, everybody. But yeah, it's on the way. It's cooking. I'll stir halfway through. I'll get back with you and show you what we're looking like then. All right, so we're halfway through. I'm gonna pull it out, see what we're looking like here. Oh man, that's looking good. And I'll tell you, it smells better. It smells a whole lot better. Earlier when I opened it, I did say that it stinks. I mean, it didn't stink like it was spoiled. It just wasn't what I guess all the seasonings and herbs and stuff that's in this sauce, whatever the sauce is, was just overpowering. It kind of took me by surprise, but it's smelling good now. But yeah, I'm gonna pop this in and let it finish cooking, and I'll show y'all the end result. Okay everyone, so real quick before I forget, real important, I know I showed this in the beginning and I should have said it in the beginning, and yes, it's a real thing. So I'd like to say that CPAC Shrimp and Seafood Company is not sponsoring me in any kind of way. This is not a paid promotion. They are not offering me anything to advertise this product. This is just something that I bought all on my own in the grocery store to stock my truck. And yeah, with that said, we got a finished product here. I cooked some of my good rice to go with it. Sorry my big head is in the light making a big shadow, but if you can get a good look at that. There we go. Smelling really good. I can't wait to dig in. But yeah, appreciate y'all watching and seeing the type of things that I cook on my truck. If y'all like this episode, leave a comment, and yeah, catch y'all later. Peace.